Want your Galaxy S25 Ultra to go completely silent as soon as work mode is on? You can set it up so your phone automatically mute itself whenever work mode is active. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Mode and Routine. While you are in the Mode section, tap Word. Tap Other Action, select Sound Mode and Volume. Here, select Mute as the sound mode. Tap Done to save the sound setting, and then tap Done again to save the work mode setting. With this setup, from now on, whenever work mode is active, either manually or automatically, your phone will instantly switch to silent mode. This is super handy for meetings, focus work, or study time, so you don't get interrupted by calls or notifications. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.